Alright, everybody, today we gotta do some training. Because we lost to those Bonnie Pirates again. So, let's go train. Oh. 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 What the, oh my god. Headless, what are you doing here? Thought I lost you. You have your head. That's why you were doing this entire time. So go get it. You're done training already. That was quick. You gotta show me a trick. That's pretty cool. I'm tired. My turn. Climb. How am I doing this climb? Take that treacherous. Oh. Ta-da! I don't know why I'm roaring, but let's go. Oh, I'm not good at this training stuff. Alright, well, time for my training. Yeah, don't ever mess with us again, or this will happen. Yeah. Oh, get out of here. Ooh. Blue blitz. What happened? That guy, the bear, to me. He's super healed. He caught me by surprise, I swear. I'm still not weaker, I swear. He caught me by surprise, I was training. Oh, that's just playing dirty then. go show those guys this. Hey, Bonnie, I did what you told me to do. Well, I didn't tell you to do anything. You told me to go kill that. Kill the swords guy. I don't like that swords guy, but I wouldn't kill anybody unless I had to. Like one day we're gonna have to kill Blue Blitz again. So that must have been somebody else who told you that. Wait, what? That wasn't you. And we'll probably gonna have to kill him one day, so I mean, I guess that's kind of good, but like, you could have waited, you know. Well then who could have told me? It was me who did that. I'm not on either of their side. Watch me transform. Now I'm Bonnie. That's how I did that. Now I'm me again. Please.